a door security bar can be an excellent investment. This device, placed behind a door, adds extra reinforcement to any locks and deadbolt by strengthening the complete door frame. There are permanent models available that resist a lot of pressure as well as removable ones that are portable for traveling. Hello guys, in this video we're looking at the 5 best door security bars of 2024, and if you want more information we also put the links in the description box below. Thanks. Number 1. Super Heavy Duty Security Door. Engender peace of mind with a security bar that can hold back over 3,000 pounds. This secure door bar has a one-handed installation for use on hinged doors. Slide the yoke under the doorknob and position the bar at an angle of about 25 degrees, on a 36-inch high doorknob, that's about 15 inches from the door. The handle rotates and provides pressure to hold the door in place. If needed, alter the height of the bar with the adjustment collar by inserting the pin and moving the inner tube to the correct position. The bar adjusts to work with doorknobs between 34 and 48 inches high. The material that covers the footplate provides adhesion to different types of floor surfaces, including carpet, tile, hardwood, concrete, and vinyl flooring. The footplate also provides maximum surface contact. Made of heavy-duty aluminum alloy and durable thermoplastic elastomer, the security door bar weighs 3.2 pounds. The Securador door bar immediately impressed us with its stout 3-pound heavy-duty presence. Number 2. Master Lock Door Security Bar. Additional home security can be affordable. This well-priced security bar from Master Lock can secure both hinged doors and sliding doors. The bar adjusts between 30.5 and 45 inches for hinged doors, and it adjusts between 27.5 and 42 inches for use with sliding doors. To prevent forced entry on a hinged door, set the bar to the correct height, place the padded base at about 15 to 18 inches from the door, place the yoke under the handle, and slide the bottom toward the door until the bar is snug. For a sliding door, remove the pin holding the yoke in place, position the bar along the bottom of the door, and adjust the length accordingly, making sure the silver button pops up into the correct hole. When set up for use on a hinged door, the pivoting ball joint provides complete contact with the floor, and the padded foot ensures a secure grip without scratching. Made of 20-gauge steel, this portable and compact bar is ideal for home or travel. Number 3. DoorJammer Portable Door Lock. Ideal for travel, this door lock brace from DoorJammer measures 4.25 inches tall by 1.58 inches wide by 2.76 inches deep, fitting easily inside a laptop bag, suitcase, or backpack. The jammer provides security in hotel rooms, dorms, or even the office. Insert the base in the gap between the door and the floor and turn the screw. It requires only 0.125 inch of clearance, but it can adapt to work with doors that have high thresholds. If the door has a large opening at the bottom, the door lock comes with an extension foot, place it under the base and turn the screw in place. The device also comes with a set of 4 spacers to use at the top of the door. The spacers can provide extra strength in frames with more significant gaps at the top of the door, although using them is not required. In an emergency, use the quick release function to remove the lock without releasing the screw first. Number 4. SABRE 120 dB Wedge Door. SABRE's door wedge easily slides under an inward opening door and sounds off a 120 decibel siren when someone applies pressure to the door in a break-in attempt. The alarm is loud enough to be heard up to 1,000 feet away. The door wedge needs a 9-volt battery to operate, and it provides a battery status update with a low battery indicator. The wedge has a non-skid pad that also prevents entry and will work on most floorings, including carpet. This door wedge can be taken along when traveling for alarm security away from home. The SABRE door stop alarms combined protection method proved highly effective in our test. After turning it on and placing it as close to the door as possible, we attempted to open the door. The alarm was triggered immediately, even before the door motion stopped, and it was piercingly, painfully loud. The wedge stopped the door from opening almost immediately, with less than 2 inches of movement. Number 5. Door security bar. To add security at multiple entrances or windows, consider this security man model, which works on hinged doors, sliding doors, and windows. It can adjust between 22.25 inches and 43.7 inches for a hinged door. For a sliding door or window, it can adapt to between 22.25 inches and 39.5 inches. It has 15 notched holes for adjustability. The bar comes with interchangeable caps depending on the application. For hinged doors, the caps have one end that fits under the door handle and one end that has an adjustable angled rubber bottom that assures complete contact, plus a non-slip grip that won't scratch the floor. For a sliding door or a window, the ends have rubberized caps that fit over the bar. The high-grade iron bar works on a variety of different flooring types, including tile, wood, concrete, marble, linoleum, laminate, and more. The bar can withstand 350 pounds of pressure yet weighs just 3 pounds. Thanks for watching. That's all for now, and hope all if you guys enjoy the video. Thanks.